Hey everyone, a beautiful day here again, and as usual, my morning walk thoughts. I wanted to share something. I was listening to a lecture from Dr. David R Hawkins on success, and one of the ways to success, he listed 101 ways to the success. One of the ways is to be happy no matter what the results. And it prompted me thinking that in the end, for most of us, success means being happy. So if we put all our eggs in one basket and put this basket somewhere in the future when we will arrive to some sort of goal, which is always in the future, we kind of deprive ourselves from happiness. So why not be happy with just walking there, being happy now? We can decide to be happy now. Yeah, I know it's like easy for me to say and it's more hard for me to practice, but still it's a good reminder that whatever we do for some kind of internal state, for being peaceful, for being happy, joyful. And if we put the state dependent on something outside of us or somewhere in the future, not here and not now, we kind of deprive ourselves of what we want the most. And it doesn't mean we shouldn't set the goals, we shouldn't set the intention. I think it's very important for us to set the road to walk. But it doesn't mean when we set the intention that we can only be happy when we arrive. And it's much more joyful to walk on this road already being content and happy. So I invite you to enjoy the road to your destination. Focus on the process, not so much on the results. The results will come. When you walk, when you make a step after step, you will get somewhere. So, yeah, that's it for today, a short one. And I wish you a great day and the week ahead. And see you around again. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.